They know my story.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be doing a quick self-lock tutorial. I've been doing this hair a lot lately, but I think for this one I forgot to record. I think I was recording, but I didn't know. I think I thought I was recording, but it wasn't really recording. So I didn't really have a video of when I started the foundation, but just the basic self-lock, just first individually braid your client's hair, and then so for example, just easily braid, sorry my camera just stopped working, but just easily braid your client's hair individually, and then just crochet the self locks hair before you start wrapping. But I think I do have other videos in going in details about the new technique and new everything. So basically there are different ways to get this stuff locks done. So if you want it to be seamless and knotless, there are ways to do that. If you want the knots, there are ways to do that. If you want in between, there are ways to do that as well. And I believe I do have a video of all of them, because I've been posting self locks back to back. So I was just trying to get this one out of my camera roll basically. So now we're going to just start wrapping. I'm using the I know even though it's ombre, I'm only using the black to wrap, because it's just an ombre texture as well, but you can't really tell because again it's ombre, so it's just kind of distracting. Yeah, so I do have the hair link in my description box, as well as the hair that I'm using for wrapping as well. So if you've gotten to this point of my video and you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you like this video, please continue to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, that's all. I've done this video several times, so I'm not really I'm not going to say much, but yeah, let me know if you guys like it. Until then, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you. Oh yeah, and also if you have any questions, please let me know as well.
It's fake kills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman me a coming, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her, never trust another nigga. I say she give me pon the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga, say she want another nigga. Who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. Move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the think so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me yard, see me pour me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about them. Bad man, what you say?
Standard.
let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you dey mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know.